In this video, I'm going to show you how to log hours using TSheets, our app, for when you are working an assignment for Smart Apartment Solutions. Hey Smarties, you are about to receive a text message from us so that you are able to download the TSheets app to your mobile device. Let's head over to the phone so I can show you how this works.
So we will send you a text message link that will take you to TSheets. From here, you will set up an account on TSheets and also download the app to your smart device. Once you have done that, this is the page that you'll be looking at once you open the device on your phone and log in. From here, you will see the customer and the service item tabs. These are items that need to be filled out when you're wanting to clock in for your assignment. The customer will be the apartment community that you will be working with. In this example, we will be using Smart Apartment Solutions. The service item will give you options of either leasing or maintenance. You simply pick which one applies to you. In this example, we will be using maintenance. Once those things have been done, you'll simply hit the green clock in button down here in the corner. If you are not using your location, you will be prompted to do so. You should always be using your location when using TSheets. This allows us to accurately track your time that you're working at the community, which then provides us with the invoice and information that we need to send to the client. The client is specifically looking for this information. Once you've done that, you are officially clocked in. You can see the clock running at the top, and you can see the location that pops up on the screen. Down here at the bottom again, we have a take break and a clock out. Lastly, I want to take a look at the overview button. This is at the very bottom tab of the app. Once you click that, it gives you a daily total, a weekly total, and a total for the pay period. You're going to be wanting to look at this daily so you can be checking to make sure you're reaching your target hours, the amount of hours assigned, which is normally 40 hours in a work week. The last thing I wanted to go over is if you go back to the My Time card, you'll see this Add Timesheet note. This is where we want you to add any notes if you have any issues with clocking in or not. These pop up on our end and we'll be notified when something does go wrong. But you are required to leave us a note if, for example, you forgot to clock in on time and you really clocked in at 8, but you didn't get a chance to until 9. This is where you'd add those notes. You simply click the blue button and add your notes. All right, and that is it for this tutorial.
If you have any further questions on how this process works, feel free to reach out to us or give us a call at Smart Apartment Solutions. Until then, get smart with Smart Apartment Solutions.